I have a 40-inch disco ball that, when it rotates, squeaks a little bit. The motor powering this mirrorless ball is the HD MB40KG. This has now discontinued and has been replaced with the HD MB40, but it looks largely the same. I was curious if I could put a little grease in this or make that noise go away, so I'm going to open it up. On the back, we just see this panel here, so I'm feeling pretty good about my chance of opening it up. There are 4 outside black screws on the base. It looks like these take off the back cover. With those 4 black screws off, the back cover just comes off real easy, and we can see inside. Big bearing to support all the weight and motor. Presumably there's going to be a belt drive on the back here. Those 4 silver screws on the side, they take this platform out. They go into the side of this. Whole thing comes apart just as you'd expect. I took the gland, I think is the name of it, over here, unscrewed it, and then I can slide more of this cable in to give me more room inside. Just used a pry bar to pop this out. Took a little bit of force, but it was happy to move. I used some rubber coating so that I wasn't prying on it, and then just tried to get it to go straight up so that this would come out of the hole. Really simple design in here. Little motor belt. You can see mine's pretty worn. And nice big bolt to keep it from falling through, big bearing on the back, and a little motor to run this whole thing. So I'm gonna get some grease in here and hopefully that solves my problem. I'm looking at this pulley drive and I found this set screw. It was only screwed in part way, looked like it was sticking out. Maybe this describes some of the wear on the inside here. I drove it all the way in. I'm not entirely sure what it controls. It looks like the pulley is locked with another pin over here, but maybe it keeps it from sliding up or something. It's the direction the bolt is under pressure, so I don't really think it would move around, but I'm going to drive that all the way in and secure it with a little bit of Loctite. Took a little bit of persuasion from trusty old mallet, but I got it all greased up around here, around all the other parts, and back together. Really simple to take apart. Very successful adventure. Perfectly silent.